Your dual turntable setup is entirely fuss-free. The following video guide simply offers a few quick tips to help you smooth the process. First, unbox the turntable and ensure you have the following items: the turntable's plinth, the perspex lid, your 2 lid hinges, your dual manual, your tonearm's counterweight, the tonearm's head shell and cartridge, the platter, the rubber platter mat, your RCA connectors, and your power cables. Begin your setup by securely mounting the platter over the center spindle and place the rubber platter mat atop your platter. Once this is done, we can mount the head shell and cartridge to the tonearm. And to do this, we'll position it into the socket fitting at the end of the tonearm and gently lock it off by rotating the mounting collar clockwise. Then we'll roughly fit the tonearm's counterweight by rotating it clockwise onto the back of the tonearm, giving it 2 or 3 full rotations. Now we can untie the tonearm and remove the protective transit sleeve, preparing to balance that tonearm. But before we do this, we need to very carefully unclip the stylus guard using our thumb and forefinger, moving the guard down and away. Release the tonearm clip, move the tonearm above the platter, and get ready to balance that tonearm. Now the easiest method to achieve this is to lightly hold the head shell with your thumb and forefinger, ensuring the stylus floats above the platter mat, making incremental adjustments to the counterweight with your other hand. Then you lightly let the head shell go and watch to see if it levels itself, adjusting and readjusting until the stylus floats about 1 to 2 millimeters above the platter mat. Once done, position the tonearm back into its cradle and secure the clip. Rotate the tracking force dial, which spins independently so that 0 is at 12 o'clock. Then rotate the counterweight to somewhere between the recommended 1.6 and 2 grams of tracking force. You'll then mirror this number on the anti-skate dial at the base of the tonearm. Once this is done, you can connect the ground cable at the rear of the turntable, securing it lightly. You'll insert your RCA cables, matching the white cable to the white input option and the red cable to the red input option. Now you can connect the turntable's power supply, and you can fit your turntable's lid hinges. Last but not least, slide that lid into position over those hinges and drop it into place. For further details on everything referenced in this video, please read the turntable setup instructions within the provided product manual. But most importantly, guys, welcome to life at 33 1/3.